Hello everyone, this is Gina Hernandez, and tonight I'm going to talk about technology influence, artificial intelligence systems, and we are going to review whether those decisions they make are fair to their users or not. So sometimes one wonders what criteria some banks use to approve loans. I've seen cases where that customer fits into the requirements to get it approved, and the bank ends up declining the credit request. So we might think maybe that doesn't make sense, or what tools do they use to make some decisions? Well, the truth is, many larger corporations rely on machines to make their decisions. So the systems use large amount of digitalized data from their users, and based on that, they analyze and decide. So what are AI systems? They're automated, they process big data, and that means large amounts of data to make a decision. Then what are the uses from IA? We can use it in robotics, product recommendations such as Facebook, the ones that is included after you go through a search engine and look for the shoes you really like. Then you wonder why those recommendations showed up on my screen after that. Well, that's because of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Autonomous vehicles like Tesla, targeted advertising, and so on. Then some other many applications of artificial intelligence systems are voice to text, such as Google Translator, audio generations, image generations, and so on. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, they have a really important role nowadays because they are used as hybrid systems interacting machines and humans to make decisions, to improve processes, to learn from every source, to process information, and to improve from experience. So the big question would be, how are those processes biased? Well, the thing is, when these machines use their patterns of information to make better decisions, they use mathematical processes. Then, as machines and systems are programmed by humans, and we humans are not perfect, what does that mean? That data could be biased. It depends on the vision of its creator. So, we wonder, are those systems fair? It depends. We've seen cases like the Amazon same day delivery service that for certain zip codes in predominantly black neighborhoods, they didn't use the same day delivery services. How so? Then that people could think, is that just a white privilege service? It shouldn't be. What can be done? Well, some suggestions I have are make those failures into opportunities. That means we humans learn from proof and mistake. Then we can use the same model, or we could use the same model to computers and program them to use those cognitive biases to promote a fast learning. So other solution could be use a smaller amount of data to process that information. and also enabling more collaborative technologies where the user can participate and give opinions what are the things where are a loophole that could be really useful. Inclusion is the key in this really varied world. Thank you so